Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are facing the issue unknown USB device descriptor request failed in Windows 10, 11 and other version, so this video is for you. I will show you how you can resolve this issue easily. In the first method, we will update all the drivers related to unknown. For that, go to device manager, search on the device and then click on the device manager option. Then scroll it down and look for the last option, which is Universal Serial Bus Controller. The full form is USB. Expand the option and then update the USB driver here. Update automatically. You need to select all the options and update all the options here, and then make sure you are connected with the network. Okay, then after that close this option, and after updating all the USB drivers unknown devices, you can uninstall the unknown devices if you are getting those and restart your system. Your system will automatically detect all the drivers and suitable driver for you. So if your issue is not resolved with the first method, you can move to the second method. We will disable the fast startup in the second method. For that, go to control panel, search on control panel on a search bar, then click on the view by and then select the large icon, which I have already selected here. Then click on the power options. Okay, then click on the power plan which you have selected. In my case, I am selecting the balance, but you need to select this option which says high performance. If high performance is not on your Windows, you can choose also this option, balance. You need to choose this option. Choose what power button does. Click on this option. After that, you need to select this option. Change the setting that are currently unavailable. Okay, and make sure you are uncheck this option. I have already selected this option. Turn off fast startup. Uncheck this option. Then click on save changes. And then close this option. Your issue should be fixed. If not, then go to the same options, control panel, and this time we will disable the USB fast startup. Click on power options again, same options, then click on the selected power plan you have selected, then click on the change plan setting. Okay, then click on this option, change advanced power setting, and then scroll it down and click on this USB setting. Then expand this option, USB selective suspend selecting. Okay, and make sure on the battery disable this option, plug in also disable this option. After disabling both options, you need to click on apply, then click on OK, and then restart your system. Okay, restart your system, your issue will be fixed. If not, then go to the fourth method, which is check for update. Make sure you are using the latest driver and latest Windows. For that, go to start menu, then click on setting option. Sometimes outdated Windows and driver can cause this issue as well, so you can update your Windows. Click on this option, update and security, and click on this option, download and install if additional update is available on your Windows. If not, then click on check for update, and if you are getting the option view optional update, click on this option and then update all the drivers by this option. Okay, so hope your issue is fixed with these methods. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.